When measuring framed cabinets for new doors, it's helpful to know your existing door overlay. Overlay is simply defined as how much larger the door is than the cabinet opening it covers. Overlay is important if you plan on using new hinges, as hinges are available in a variety of overlays, and the door overlay and the hinge overlay need to match. Take a piece of tape and apply it to your cabinet frame behind the door on the hinge side of the door. You may need to open the door in order to slip the tape behind it. Make sure the tape wraps around the frame on the inside of the cabinet. With the door open, use the pencil to mark the edge of the cabinet frame on the tape. Close the door and mark the edge of the door on the tape. Open the door, carefully remove the tape without tearing it, and stick it to a flat surface. Use the measuring tape to measure the distance between the two lines. This measurement is your hinge overlay. In this example, our overlay is 1¼ inch, which is a standard overlay measurement and is often referred to as a full overlay by cabinet makers. Another common overlay is 1/2 inch, which is called a half overlay. Take the time to check the hinge overlay on each of your doors to ensure your overlay is consistent. Doing so will ensure that you order the correct size hinges for your new doors. To keep up to date on our how-to kitchen cabinet refacing content, please comment, like, and subscribe.